Okay, you cut the head off. This knife is dull. So. I've lost my fishing knives. And it's a girl. Oh. She's still alive. She's still alive. Yeah, she just went like, shh. Did you not just see her do that? Oops, shit. That's good. Give one to the sturgeons. See, if you give those to the kids, they'll eat them.
That's the eggs?
Yeah. But Cyrus, he eats raw fish eggs. Because I told him it's cool, it's caviar.
It's good to not get cavities?
Yeah. So you want to get the skin in there. Well, I guess we're making sushi, so it doesn't really matter because I'm going to fillet it, but still, the blood clot out. Blood clot.
That is a blood.
Okay. Alright. Well, I'm going to use the water here because they fish over there. They don't like it to get scared. And something might grab me in there. The sturgeon. Alright. Uh-oh, I'm going to wash my phone number away. Can you pass me that board, Victor? Because I'm going to fillet it. I'll just fillet it right down here, then we can eat it. Oh, we got another one. 2! Look! Ah! 3.
Oh, wow.
Right.
Awesome.
6.
Down by the river.
Yeah.